So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve an inequality which involves an algebraic fraction. So you can see here I've got an inequality, it's got an algebraic fraction in it. So now starting this off, you may think that you can multiply both sides by x plus 4, but that would not be right, because you don't know whether x plus 4 is positive or negative, so you don't know whether you need to flip this inequality sign. So instead what we're going to do, so we're going to start by moving all terms to one side, like so. So we're going to have x squared plus 10x plus 22 over x plus 4 minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Well, negative 3 is just negative 3 times 1, and 1 is just x plus 4 over x plus 4, because anything divided by itself is just 1. So what I've got here is that x squared 10x plus 22 all over x plus 4 minus 3 is x plus 4 Okay, so now if I move the 3 up into the numerator, then I've got two fractions subtracted over a common denominator. So actually what I've just got is, I need to move up so I've got room for the rest, because it's quite a long calculation. Minus 3 times all over x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so now we're gonna collect like terms on the numerator. So that's x squared plus 10x, so we've got a minus 3x, so plus 7x plus 22 minus 12, which is 10. So it is x squared plus 7x plus 10 over x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. And now x squared plus 7x plus 10, we factorised this in an earlier video, well actually my last video, so this is just x plus 2 x plus 5 all over x plus 4 to then equal to 0. And now again we're going to create a table of sides. Well, there's a couple of key differences this time. So I've got my table, and now we're going to look when all these factors here are 0. There's 0 at negative 2, there's 0 at negative 5, there's 0 at negative 4. Now we're going to need quite a lot of room for this table, so I'm going to write small, so you can still see. And so negative 5, so you've got negative infinity to negative 5, negative 5, negative 5, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 2, and finally negative 2 and negative 2 to infinity. Now as I pointed out before, it's a very easy mistake to make, missing out the numbers and just doing the intervals. It's very important you keep the numbers. So using the same logic as this time, all these factors are all increasing as x increases. Let me just write them here. And we've got our final expression of x squared plus 7x plus 10 over x plus 4. Now we're looking for this to be greater than or equal to 0. plus 2 is increasing. 0 here, so right now it's going to be negative before, 0 here, and positive afterwards. And this again, it's going to be negative before, negative 4, right, 0, and positive afterwards. And then here, same thing really. Okay, so I've got 3 negatives to multiply together. Well, the first 2 negatives make a positive, the second one makes a negative. Positive and negatives are negative. And then we've got a 0 times a negative all over a negative, which just makes 0. Here I've got negative, negative, which is a positive. Times a positive is positive. Got negative 4. And at this point, we've got, this is negative, this is 0, and this is positive, so we've got positive times a negative divided by a 0. Now we can't divide by 0, so this is undefined. And the way we write it when it's undefined is by we put a little star here. And if you want, you can put a little key here saying star equals undefined. Okay? Here we've got negative, positive, which is a negative, and a positive, which is negative. Again, 0, but this time, again, it's on the numerator. This time it's on the numerator, so it's going to come out as 0, not undefined. These are all positive, so this is just positive. So let's look at the cases where it's greater than or equal to 0. So it's equal to 0 here, it's greater than 0 here, equal to 0 here, it's greater than 0 here, and nowhere else. So the solution is this interval, including negative 5, so it's including negative 5, negative 4, okay, unioned with, and now it's not a round bracket like I've drawn there, because we're including the negative 2s. This is square bracket, negative 2, comma, infinity. Remember, always round bracket when you've got a positive or a negative infinity. So that was how to solve an inequality involving algebraic fractions. Thank you.